Welcome back to my channel, guys. In the previous lecture we were dealing about the atomic mass unit. We saw that one atomic mass unit is equal to mass of 1/12th carbon atom, right? One atomic mass unit is equal to mass of a 12th carbon atom divided by 12, or alright, that is absolute mass of a carbon atom will be equal to absolute mass of carbon will be, once on solving this we get 1.9924 into 10 to the power minus 23 gram. Therefore one atomic mass unit will be equal to 1.9924 into 10 to the power minus 23 divided by 12. That will be equal to 1.66 into 10 to the power minus 24 gram. That is equal to 1.66 into 10 to the power minus 27 kg. So this is the mass of, that is the one atomic mass. So again we say that the atomic masses are very small, and to express atomic masses a unit called atomic mass unit is commonly used, and this atomic mass is defined as the mass equal to 1/12th of the mass of a carbon atom is called one atomic mass unit. Now what is the atomic mass of an element? So if we want to define it, we say that atomic mass of the element is, that is denoted by A, that is equal to average mass of an atom of that element, average mass of an atom of that element in atomic mass unit. Clear? What is atomic mass of the element? The average mass of an atom of an element in atomic mass unit is called atomic mass. Alright, then what is relative atomic mass of an element? So we will also write that. What is the relative atomic mass of an element? Let us see that also. The relative atomic mass of an element. So the relative atomic mass of an element, that is denoted by A, R, atomic mass, relative atomic mass of an element is defined, relative atomic mass of an element is defined as the average relative mass of an atom, average relative mass of an atom of the element compared with an atom of a carbon 12 taken as 12C, that is compared by mass of one carbon 12 atom whose mass is 12. Mass of one carbon 12 atom that is taken by as 12. So what is relative atomic mass? Relative atomic mass of an element is equal to average mass of one atom of an element by mass of one carbon 12 atom by 12. That is, the relative atomic mass is denoted by AR and it has no unit. So we say that the relative atomic mass of an element indicates the number of times one atom of that element is heavier than 1/12 of a carbon atom. For example, average relative mass of chlorine, that is 35.5. This means that the atom of chlorine, on average is 35.5 by 12 times heavier than one atom of carbon 12. Chlorine 35.5, it means atom of chlorine on an average is 35.5 by 12 times heavier than one atom of carbon 12. Hope you have understood this relative atomic mass of an element, that is the average relative mass of an atom of an element compared to the mass of one carbon 12 atom. Okay, for example, chlorine, that is 35.5. The atom of chlorine on average is 35.5 by 12 times heavier than one atom of carbon 12 atom. Alright, hope you have understood the lecture. If you like it, kindly like and subscribe my channel. Thank you.